Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change a template in Hostinger. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Hostinger account and go to the H panel. From there, click on the Websites tab and select Edit Website. This will open the Website Builder editor where you can manage your site design. In the editor, look at the top left corner and open the Website Builder menu. From the drop-down, click Change Design. Here you can choose between AI-generated layouts or pre-made templates. Keep in mind, changing your template will erase all your current content, including text, images, and pages. So it's best to back up your site before proceeding. Once ready, define your website through its description, and the AI will create a website for you. Preview the template to see how it looks. When you find the one that fits, click Select. Your new design will then replace the old one. Next, re-add your content, upload images, and adjust fonts, colors, and layouts to match your brand. Finally, click Publish to make your new site live. So that's basically how you can change a template in Hostinger. That's it for this video. Thanks.